So you're on LinkedIn and you're looking for work. How do you find a job on LinkedIn? Well, first of all, you need to make sure that your profile is up to date. If managers or recruiters are going to be looking on your profile, everything needs to be exactly how you'd want it to look. Next, stay on top of your updates. People are changing jobs all the time. Maybe someone you know can give you a foot in the door or introduce you. Congratulate people, speak with them, use new jobs as a great chance to begin that conversation again. By connecting with everyone you have ever worked with, it increases your capability of being recommended on LinkedIn. Recommendations are the key way that people can truly believe you are who you say you are and you're good at what you're good at. In your descriptions for your job roles, rather than saying, I managed the sales force, you could say, I managed 37% in revenue in the last quarter. This is something tangible. A quick search on LinkedIn for the word recruiters will come up with a long list of people in a sector that you want if you use the search criterias. And if you connect with them, they will know you're actively looking and they'll see your updates, which will increase the chance of them reaching out to you. Or in turn, you could reach out to them. LinkedIn Jobs Board is a free service that anyone can go on. There are millions of postings and it's definitely worth a look. Another brilliant thing about LinkedIn, if you see a job that you really want and you notice that someone has already worked at that company or currently works there, reach out to them, drop them a hello. It's amazing the difference a warm introduction can get you.